the shrinkage. See that? See how pliable this is? Look at that. I can bend this. I couldn't bend this to save my life. I'm going to see if I'm going to Dremel the corners and try and get in there just to break it out. Okay, so I'm putting it on medium. Make sure I don't hit anything else. So, like I said, like and subscribe, check the channel. I'm going in where I cut it, so now I'm prying it open. See that? So to split that, so I split here. I'm going in, just cracking it like that. So I'll be able to replace it. Okay? So just very slight. You gotta be careful with that Dremel so you don't have any issues.